right. Good morning, Idea Montopolis College Prep. This is Mr. Caro with your morning announcements. It's a terrific Tuesday, January the 19th, and today is a B day. Please join me for today's pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence. All right, thank you. So let's move on to our birthdays today. Happy birthday to Nyla Mackey in 8th grade, Maria Olvera in 8th grade, and Amy Martinez in 9th grade. We hope you'll have a wonderful day filled with creativity, love, awesomeness, all this great stuff. So happy birthday. Happy birthday, y'all. All right. So our January word count competition. Here is where the standings are. Go ahead and pause that and take a look at it there. All right. Pick up your report cards. All right. So the last day to pick up your report card will be today from 10 to 1. And yeah, go ahead and pick up your report card if you haven't. All right, calculator drop off. If you checked out a calculator for the December ACT exam, please make sure that you have returned these back to us as soon as possible. Thank you. All right, so re-register and earn a chip party. So complete the form by January 27th. Website's right there. And yeah, when you turn in your re-registration form, when your parent completes the form online, you'll receive a chip party. So there you go. All right, re-register, y'all. Refer a friend and win. All right, so you know someone who would want to come to our school, go ahead and use that link, and there are rewards in there for you. All right, volunteers needed, Super Recruitment Day 23rd. If you're interested, please sign up there at the website, at the link on the screen. All right, schedule shifts. New schedules will begin January 25th. For now, we're going to go ahead and continue with the same schedule that we had last semester for the rest of this week. All right, everybody. So attendance, absolutely, attendance is important. If you're not here, you can't get credit for classes that you don't attend. According to the law, you can't miss more than 90% of the school year, which means you can't miss more than 18 days of school, and the law is quoted right there. All right, proper mask use. Down here is not what we want to see. Pay special attention to the nose. That's what we're seeing a lot of. Up here is perfect. Up here is perfect. We want to see more of that. All right, we got questions. Please text us at the number there during normal school hours. And again, follow us on Facebook and on YouTube as well to catch up on morning announcements. All right. Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And remember, y'all, if nobody tells you this today, remember that we love you. We believe in you, and we always will. Now it's time for Move This World. Have a great day, y'all.